race. And the race is on. Remus from the outside, rushing up is Kuya Yani, running by Daral Cool, Dixie Flight Attendant, Fearless on the outside by Daral's 24 Oras, Swab Tiger, while Aramis is the early trailer by about 6 to 7 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner, number 5, Kuya Yani, by about 2 lengths, followed by Remus in second. Flight Attendant is racing on the outside as they race the last 650. Kuya Yani by about 2 lengths, followed now by Flight Attendant. Remus is running in third by Daral, rushing up Fearless. Entry number 2, 24 Oras, Aramis, Swab Tiger as they race the final corner. Kuya Yani by about 5 lengths, followed by Flight Attendant. Remus by the release 24 Oras on the outside is Aramis. Kuya Yani, Aramis rushing up, moves up to take the lead, and finally Aramis with a blazing run scorching the field. Second, Kuya Yani, 24 Oras, Fearless, Remus. So